In today's digital world, user experience is everything. Make your mark as a sought-after UI/UX designer. Introducing the UI/UX Design course. Our comprehensive course takes you from the beginner to pro, equipping you with the skills and knowledge needed to create exceptional user interfaces and unforgettable experiences. Led by industry experts, our course provides hands-on training, allowing you to apply design principles to real-world scenarios. You'll learn the art of creating visually stunning designs, crafting intuitive navigation, and conducting user research to ensure your designs meet user needs. If you are a beginner looking to break into the industry, our UI/UX design course is tailor-made just for you. Enroll in the UI/UX design course today. Unlock your creative potential